We serve children of all ages with autism and other developmental disabilities.
Every child, when they come in, we do an assessment and find out where they are developmentally, and then we build a program around that.
I think that's what I really like about CTAC is that it's so rooted in science.
ABA therapy, or applied behavior analysis therapy, really works. It is changing kids' lives.
And it's a therapy that's based on scientific evidence, and that's what makes it different.
When Sam first came to CTAC at age 3, he did not have much language, and we were worried about him.
A lot of parents, when they first come to CTAC, are going to be very nervous about where their child's going, what their future is going to be like.
It was clear that they had expertise in the areas that were farther reaching than us. You know, we
Right.
see a future for our son, but we don't know how to get him there, and they clearly can lay out a plan.
What we do at CTAC is that we give them a road to success.